Skullcrushers are the exercise with a scary name, but there's nothing to worry about if you do them right. They work the triceps, and we're going to perform this in a laying down position on a mat using a set of dumbbells. So for the setup, we're going to grab our dumbbells and come down onto our back. Careful with the head. Once we're down here, you can either have your legs out straight or bent like so. I'm just going to keep mine straight. You can get, even in this position right here, I'm thinking about tall posture. So good posture. So I'm getting my chest up, my shoulders back, my chin is tucked. From here, I'm going to push the weights straight up overhead. And I'm going to have the weights in this position in line with my body. So a nice straight wrist, straight arm all the way down to my shoulders. We call this stacking the joints. So my wrist, elbow, and shoulder are stacked. You want them stacked straight up. And once we're in this position, those elbows are going to stay right there. What's going to move are my weights in the hand. They're going to come straight back, right about to my ears here, and then straight back up. So it gets the name the Skull Crusher because if I was holding a bar in my hands and it slipped out of my hands, would not be a pretty picture. So again, elbows are staying pointing straight up to the ceiling, weights coming down to my ears, and I'm pressing up. It's really important to keep your elbows tucked in nice and tight. Really try to push those elbows into each other. We don't want the elbows flaring out to the sides. I'm exaggerating now, but we don't want the elbows going out to the side. We want to tuck those elbows in, especially in this low position, and push it back up. For breathing, we're going to inhale on the way down and exhale as we push up. Inhale and up. So as we're coming down, we're getting that full range of motion, getting that nice big stretch in the tricep here. That's our long length. And as we raise it up, get that squeeze. That's our short length. Always thinking about the full range of motion.